how to pick a color fast in Figma. That's the tutorial for today. I hope you're gonna find this helpful. Subscribe for more Figma tutorials. I really appreciate it, really make me happy if you just subscribe. And also leave your comments down below if you have a question about Figma and you're looking for an answer, you're looking for a solution in Figma. Please leave your questions down below and I'll try to create a tutorial for you, a solution for the problem you might have. So now let's jump right into this video. So it's really important to work on your productivity workflow in Figma. So learning shortcuts can tremendously improve the workflow, and also not only workflow, but it's going to improve how fast you work in your productivity and how fast you work in Figma. So to pick your color very fast in Figma, what you can do is, let's say I like to change the color, I like to copy a color from this. Now of course you can go here and go to fill, and then you change the color from here. It's going to change the color. Now you can grab this and change the transparency, change the color, maybe you add another color, I don't know, maybe here you have now another color, but for this one you maybe increase or decrease the whatever. But to change the color even faster, what you can do is press I on your keyboard. Press I on your keyboard and you have this pick up color. Now I can pick the color I want, but make sure you select that rectangle or object you have. Press I and it's going to change the color. So it's very fast and handy shortcut you need to learn in Figma, which is the pick up color, and press I on your keyboard, please. Now of course you can also, when you have select the rectangle, you can go to fill here, and then you also have here this pick up color, you know, and that's just the shortcut I showed you recently, you know, and now I can change the color. But yeah, I think it's faster when you use the shortcut. Of course, shortcuts can help you and save you more time. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day and take care.